So welcome back to my channel, man. I am at the dealership. As you can see, it's behind me, getting my oil changed, and I just happened to stumble upon a Hellcat Daytona Charger, and of course we got the Widebody Challenger right there, which need to be clean. But as y'all can see in the background, got that beauty right there, man. Like, it looks so much better, really. But whoever flying in that airplane, y'all gotta shoot me the one. But as you can see, man, it look way better in person. They have a Scatpack in the inside. I'm gonna give y'all a quick view of the Scatpack. You know, no copyright. We got the music playing in there. But let me give y'all a swing around the 2020 Hellcat Daytona, man. Yeah, I just noticed it. And this is what color this is? Triple nickel. Triple nickel. Yeah. You got the pink lip.
They even got a white spoiler on it now.
Pink lip. SRT badge right there. Let me see what you, oh, Daytona on the back. Spoiler. Got the Daytona right there. Look at that spoiler, man, in white. This color hard though, man. We got 3-inch fender flares, 305s all the way around. The new SRT rim right there, the SRT in the middle. Do got Brimbos, and this 228. I gotta check out the interior, but these rims look like they like pushed in a little bit more.
228 got the 501 now.
Damn, got wide body. That's dope.
Yeah, look at the suede freaking suede steering.
You get the stitching. You got some blue stitching in here.
Blue stitching.
Got this suede steering wheel right here with the blue stitching in the inside. SRT right there. Go ahead and step in. Got that 200 on the dash though. Zoom in on that. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got the key.
The badge that tells you right there is a 228 out of 501.
228 out of 501. Limited edition. Yep. Daytona right there. That's dope, man. I like what they did with this one. I ain't gonna lie, you got Daytona in the seat. In the seat with the blue stitching. Still got a lot of stuff in here because it's new. They ain't even put this one up for sale yet. Nice. And this one come with a sunroof. And the Daytona come fully loaded. I think honestly, even the Daytona, the regular Daytona 392, I think it's a better body than the Scatpack. And then we got some carbon fiber right here, man. Some carbon fiber up there. Some more stitching in there. 2 cup holders, you know. The usual Charger setup. Ain't too much change for the interior, but I do like this suede steering wheel with the blue stitching. Like I said, still 200 on the dash. It is a Hellcat. I like this carbon fiber up here. Got the memory seat, chrome door handle, Alpine sound system. Yeah, oh, actually, I got the sticker right here. So, they go the sticker right here. So the base price is $69. Y'all can see all the options. They got this triple nickel color, the black interior, SRT V8, you know what I'm saying? 6.2 liter. So the total price they want for this one is $81,000. So I think it's $81,000 because it's limited production. Like, it's literally, I said 228. I don't know if y'all can see that. 228 or 501. But it is a Hellcat though. Charger SRT wide body Daytona 50th anniversary. Sheesh. Let me get y'all a matter of fact, still look up here. Y'all got that SRT in launch mode. I ain't never seen these options in the Daytona, man. Super dope. Check out. Actually, let me lift it up. Check out the back seat. Closed up. And that interior, man. I like this suede insert right here with the blue stitching. You do got fully functional back seat. It is a photo, man. It is a big boy Charger. Two level heated seats back here, 2 USB ports, 2 AC vents. Got some more storage back here, 2 cup holders, a little more storage right there. You know what I'm saying? It is a very capable car, man. Even though it's, you know, it's a Hellcat, but still that 6'4", I mean that 6'2". See that white Hellcat badge? They changed this. This really looks, this really looks better. It pop out way more than the other one, than the solid black with the gray in it. This one pop out way more. You got the Hellcat hood up here, that SRT hood. Let's check out this front grille, man. Is this, look, it said, hold up. Before everybody jump in the comments talking about this pink lip, look what it says. To be removed by dealership. So is y'all keeping this on, or y'all gonna get it removed once y'all get it? Y'all let me know. Does that come off or stay on? You do got a functional air vent right up here. SRT badge right there. You do got some nice headlights. The headlights even bulge out a little bit more. And the fender flares, what I just noticed is they are a part of the car. They're not just like slapped on. They actually a part of the bumper. Comes all the way around. Whole front grille is functional. Whole front grill is functional. What y'all think about these rims, these new rims on here, man? I actually like them. I think they dope with this chrome, with the triple nickel color. It really make it pop. And it's 6 pistons in the front, you know what I'm saying? And the value of this car is only gonna go up because it's so limited. We can't even get the keys to it to crank it up right now because they literally just got it in. They got to do inspection. Y'all heard them, man. Do got some backup sensors. You do got a backup camera. Do you got a yeah, definitely you got a backup camera right there. Look at that exhaust. They got, I don't know. Would y'all change this out for a different diffuser? I actually like it how it look. It's way different. Actually, here go a charger right here. It's a V6 though, and then you see this this rear end, this diffuser right here compared to that one. This one actually, they did some work to it. It actually looked better right there. Another SRT Hellcat badge on the back. Super dope, man. Got a little vent right here. That ain't functional. I don't know what that's supposed to be. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. Give y'all one more walk around of it. This thing clean, boy. Super hard. Super hard, man. All right, this is a wide body Scat, right? I wanted to get a few opinions. Which one looks better with the wide body? The Scat, the Challenger wide body, it's dirty as crap right now. It's super dirty. You can see right, my name, Wash. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Go ahead and get that. Me. Damn, that look like a retarded E. Wash me. Yeah, wash me. You know what I'm saying? Which one look better though? Wide body Challenger or wide body Charger? Let me know down below in the comments which one look better, which ones y'all taking, and is y'all keeping these bumper guards on, man? It says to be removed by the dealership, but a lot of people keep them on. My personal opinion, I'll probably keep it on and paint it a different color. I don't know. But which one look better, man? Wide body Charger or wide body Challenger? And just like that, man, we out. That bit is hard, bro. And this blue color right here, look at it next to the regular Hellcat. Right. Wide body or regular body? Yeah, it's still a Hellcat. Got them Brimbos, 305s all the way around. Damn, they be hard. 392 on the side. 3-inch fender flare. Scatpack on the back. How much this is?
We got a 60.
Base, total is 60.
No, they limited right now, so.
Oh yeah, that's what they asking right now. These not limited. They put limited production though.
Limited as far as they just coming out.
Oh.
Not many people got them.
Oh, okay. So when they come out,